Today on the 24th of April 2021 the deaths rose to 2,624 due to COVID-19. Total infected cases are 3,46,786. The recovery rate also dropped to 83.49%. The shortage of oxygen supply is also considered as major reason behind these outbreaks. The major affected states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Delhi. Amid these dreadful situations, the leaders are still playing the blame game instead of tackling the situation. This COVID mutant is creating a global spark. It is believed that this variant developed in India. Due to this, many countries have banned the flights from India. This COVID mutant is labeled as B1.617. This mutant has registered its presence in UK, US, Singapore and Australia. This mutant was first detected on Maharashtra. Most scientists all over are making noise about Indian scientists not sharing the data about mutant. These scientists were not frustrated and concerned when the virus first came into existence, and the country never declared or accepted, till it spread worldwide. Indian scientists are trying their best despite the lack of resources. However, we have to accept the fact that this dreadful disease entered into our lives back due to our negligence. So be careful and get vaccinated when your turn comes. Remember, vaccination is not the solution or remedy. Take it as a protection shield.